if you have served in any of the branches when we get to your branch of the military. And we'll start off with the Air Force. Off we go into the wild blue yonder, flying high into the sun. Here we come, zooming to meet our thunder, and boys give me the gun. Down we dive, spouting our flame from under, off with one terrible roar. We live in pain, or go down in flames, where nothing can stop the U.S. Air Force. Army!
Over hill, we have hit the dusty trail, and those bass songs go rolling along. In and out, hear them down, counter marching all around, and those bass songs go rolling along. For it's high, high, we count out your numbers out and strong. For wherever we go, we will always know that those bass songs go rolling along. Rangers away, my boys, Rangers away. Farewell to college tours, we sail at break of day. Our last night on shore, hail to the fore. Until we meet once more, here's wishing you a happy
From the halls of Montezuma to the shore of Tripoli, we will fight our country's battles in the air, on land and sea. First we fight for right and freedom, and to keep our honor clean. We are proud to claim the title of United States Marines. We will not let the Coast Guard either, and we thank you all for your service.
Glory, glory, hallelujah.
Glory, glory, hallelujah.
Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is marching on. His truth is marching
Thank you very much.